Using who in the present perfect tense. Unravel the mystery. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we are going to delve into the fascinating world of English language learning. Specifically, we are going to focus on how to use the question word, who, in the present perfect tense. This will boost your conversational English skills and make your questions sound more natural and fluent. So, let's dive right in. To use who effectively in the present perfect tense, we first need to have a solid understanding of the present perfect tense. This tense is used to talk about an action or situation that started in the past and continues in the present. It is also used for actions completed in the very recent past, where the result is still visible in the present. It's formed with have, has plus past participle. An example sentence could be, I have eaten breakfast. Now, let's introduce the question word, who. Who is a subject question word and we use it to ask about people. For instance, who is your best friend? The combination of who and the present perfect tense gives us the power to ask about people's life experiences, accomplishments, and actions that have a bearing on the present. The formula for a present perfect who question is who plus has, have plus past participle plus rest of the sentence. For example, who has written a book? Or, who have you met today? Now that you understand the concept, let's look at some examples to solidify your understanding. Who has taken my pen? Who have you seen at the party? Who has left their bag on the table? Who has visited the new museum? And that's it for today's lesson. Using who in the present perfect tense might seem challenging at first, but with practice, it'll become second nature. Remember, learning is a journey, not a destination. Keep practicing, and you'll continue to improve. Happy learning, and we'll see you in the next video.